Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Titan in Destiny 2. Titans are the ultimate protectors and aggressors, leading the charge with their powerful abilities. We will cover everything from understanding their core role to mastering advanced combat techniques. Get ready to dominate the battlefield and become an unstoppable force for your fire team. This comprehensive guide will help you unleash your full potential and stand strong against any foe. Titans boast 4 distinct subclasses, each offering a unique approach to combat. The Sentinel, with its void energy, excels at defense and team support, wielding a powerful shield. Striker Titans, infused with arc, unleash devastating melee attacks and area of effect damage. Sunbreakers harness solar power for explosive ranged assaults. Finally, Behemoths manipulate stasis, freezing and shattering enemies with ice. Experiment to find your perfect fit. Optimizing your Titan requires careful gear selection. Focus on armor stats such as resilience for survivability, discipline for grenade cooldowns, and strength for melee ability regeneration. Exotic armor pieces are game changers, offering unique perks that amplify your chosen subclass. Pair these with weapons that synergize with your abilities, like a shotgun for close-quarters striker builds. Don't forget to apply combat-style mods to fine-tune your power. To truly master the Titan, practice advanced tactics. Your barricade is incredibly versatile. Use it for instant cover, a quick reload, or even an overshield. Coordinate your super ability with your fire team for devastating combined attacks, especially in challenging encounters. Consistently use your powerful melee abilities, as many generate ability energy or provide buffs. Remember to adapt your build and playstyle to suit the specific activity and enemy types you face.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.